333. You are approaching your dreams fast, really fast, but first, the universe is asking you to release the burden surrounding your finances and have faith that all is working out. Type 333 if you agree. Source is saying to you today, you are pouring so much good energy into the world that will be rewarded in more ways that you know. Trust that when you do good, the entire universe is watching and conspiring to respond. Every single action holds with it a reaction. In every moment you choose to emit good energy, you are investing in your future. Continue to focus on good energy and trust that when something negative happens, it holds a seed of positivity. Focus on the good vibes. Type yes to claim it and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.